All right, today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite professional outfit formulas. So whether you are giving a presentation, going on an interview, maybe giving a talk at your church or local community event, to go to a court for any various reason, or maybe an important doctor's appointment where you want to just look a little more elevated, a little more polished and professional. Today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite go-to outfit formulas with items that you already likely have in your closet. And outfit formula number one is a classic tailored blazer. So nothing too trendy, nothing like oversized or cropped, or just nothing too trendy. So this is gonna be a classic, streamlined, fits to you blazer. Some straight, I would say straight leg is probably the more modern right now, but any kind of fitted trouser. So on this one, it's just gonna be a very all over tailored to you kind of looking outfit. So you've got your tailored blazer, your tailored trousers, and then a button-up blouse. And I like to go for something a little bit looser. You can do a fitted one. My tips on this one are maybe not a white button-up. That is classic, but I think that may be a little too plain, and I love a white button-up, and there's a great spot for it pretty much with anything else. I just don't generally like black trousers with a white button-up because it kind of gives me like a waiter or server vibes. Not that there's anything wrong with being a waiter or server. I did that for many years, years ago. I actually loved it. It was very fun because I love talking to people. But if you're not going for that vibe, then I think that it can come off that way with any kind of black trousers. So since that is generally a uniform for that job. So for this, I like to add a little bit of style, but you're not being too trendy with maybe a striped blouse. You could do a colored blouse. I wouldn't do anything too loud or over the top. It's always good to just stay pretty streamlined. And especially if you know, this isn't how you dress all the time, it's good to be able to wear all of these outfit items with other outfits, which I do. So you will see throughout these looks that all of my pieces could probably go together and mix and match, and really any of them can be thrown on with a pair of jeans as well. So it is good to have them on hand because I feel like all of us do need to dress this way sometimes. So if you are ever in need of a blazer or some nice trousers, I would definitely say check into Banana Republic or even Banana Republic Factory. Both run sales, so sometimes they can be a little pricier, but especially if it's not something that you wear a lot, or maybe in a classic shade like a black or a navy, you will definitely get a lot of use out of. And if you think that you don't wear a blazer, it's always great to pair over a dress or over just a plain white t-shirt and jeans. Looks great. And then your trousers, if you don't really wear dress trousers, if you get a flowy version, they're great for travel. Like there's a lot of versions that don't wrinkle. You could just wear them with a white tee. So versatile pieces that you can wear many more ways than you think. All right, outfit formula number two is a midi skirt, a vest, and a blazer. And I think this is a fun twist on the three-piece suit in a much more relaxed version. So I have a super comfy, kind of fitted vest that I picked up from J. Crew. I also have a more stretchy version from White House Black Market that I love, and I love those that they can go under a blazer, but you could also just wear them with jeans and it gives kind of an elevated look. And then for this look, I opted for my Quince cashmere ribbed midi skirt. So it's super cozy, but you know, in those dark shades, it still looks very business appropriate, almost like a suit, but with these fabrics that just feel so like cozy and luxurious on. And then I topped this look because it's an all black base with a little more pop of color, but still in a classic pattern, classic colors. So it's not too loud, but it still has just a hint of style. And I think it pulls the whole look together. And I've been loving this blazer because I can wear it with a light wash denim, dark wash denim. Of course, it looks good over this black outfit. You could throw it over a like black slip dress, would be really pretty as well. And that's a recent one I picked up from White House Black Market, which also has great pieces as well. I would say probably a little more affordable than Banana Republic, and different materials. So if you don't like ironing or steaming, I think a lot of the pieces from White House Black Market are in easier travel, easier care for material, some blends that just don't wrinkle as easily. And then some point toe flats because I like to be comfortable. So of course you could pair any of these looks with boots or heels if that's what you like. But I just am at a point where I like to be comfy, and I still think this look looks elevated, professional, and polished. Okay, and outfit formula number 3 is a sheath dress and a lady jacket. So I love this look because I think it's really feminine, but it still gives a professional vibe. So I would opt for more of a jacket than a sweater for this look, depending on what you're doing. If you had a bit more casual presentation or something, you probably could go for like a lady sweater instead of a lady jacket. But this particular lady jacket actually has some stretch in it. I love the gold detail on the buttons. It's very streamlined but comfortable and just elevates a plainer sheath dress. And this dress is a little more skimming on me, which I do like. I like a little more room, but you can definitely go for a more fitted version. But I think a solid color. So you do want to do a solid color. And then since I feel comfortable in this dress, I opted for some pumps, but of course you could do flats with this as well. And I just love this color combo, black and ivory. It looks good. It's a classic. You don't have to overthink it, and it just looks really professional as well. All right, and outfit formula number 4 is probably my go-to, my favorite, and it's so comfy, and that is a pair of wide leg trousers, some kind of fitted top, a blazer, and some ankle booties. And I think that this is a great classic. It just looks so stylish, so modern, so put together. And I've been loving these flowy trousers that I picked up recently from White House Black Market. They are lined, they feel great, they don't wrinkle easy. And then I paired it with a mock neck short sleeve rib top that I picked up from Walmart from the brand Time and True. I love it. Both of these pieces are just so versatile to me and so comfortable. So you could still look polished and professional, but also super comfortable as well. And then for this look, I went for a relaxed blazer that I picked up from Scoop, I think last year. And it does have the ruche sleeves. So if you need the full length blazer look, like more of a polished look, I'd say go for a more structured blazer. But if it's a little more of a relaxed situation, maybe a doctor's appointment or you're presenting in your community, a relaxed blazer is a great look. I think the whole outfit is just flowy and effortless, but also looks really polished and put together. And outfit number 5 is gonna be for anyone who just is like, no way, Liz, I don't own a blazer, I'm not buying a blazer. So you could still look professional and polished without a blazer. And I love this next formula of a midi or maxi length skirt, a gorgeous sweater, and some ankle booties. I think that this look gives a really feminine but still put together vibe, and it is a little more elevated. Now, because you don't have a blazer, I think that you do need the heels and kind of a structured purse, something that looks a little just not relaxed. So not relaxed purse or shoes, because the overall outfit can lean into a bit too relaxed. But I love this beautiful, like plum colored long satin skirt. I actually don't remember where I picked it up. I'm gonna have to do some research, but I will have it's linked below or something similar. And for the top, this is a super soft, cozy sweater from J. Crew. I think they call it the Cash Soft. It's not cashmere, but it feels like it, and it's still washable, and you can dry it, and it's just easy care, so it doesn't require quite the delicateness like cashmere does, and I really like that. And I have been I've showcased these a lot, but these boots that I got from Vivaya, they are kind of a silver finish, but you can't really tell unless you're close up, but from far away they just look gray, and I love this gray and plum combo. I think it looks great for fall and winter, really any time of the year. It's just like a deeper, richer color, and I think that color combo and in solids really just brings the whole outfit together as a more polished professional look. Okay, and outfit formula number 6 is another for those of you who are saying no to a blazer, and I think that's a shirt dress and boots. So you can't go wrong with a shirt dress. It's like part of a professional look, right? A button-down shirt, but in a dress with a belt, I think looks great. And I like to kind of bump it up with a classic and elevated color combo. So I think black and a camel or black and a cognac are just a elevated look. So I have this, actually this shirt dress I picked up a while ago from Banana Republic again. It's one of my favorite stores, so a lot of my pieces are from there. And any shirt dress that you have, I think again in a solid. So a black, a navy, even a burgundy would be beautiful. And then some knee-high boots. So you don't, on this look, you don't want any of your legs showing. I think because the dress is a bit more fitted, that being covered and then a structured purse elevates it. So since again you don't have that blazer, which is an instant elevator, you kind of need to fill in with your boots and your purse. Having something more structured gives an overall elevated, polished look. Oh, and these boots and this bag are both from Ralph Lauren. I will link them below if they're still available or something similar. I have had them for years and absolutely love them, and the color combo. And last but not least, outfit formula number 7, probably my go-to for sure over the last like 20 years in one way or another, is a maxi dress, a blazer, and boots. And I love this color combo, this outfit formula, because you can repurpose your spring and summer dresses, which I love long dresses. If you don't know, I'm always like showcasing them on my channel. It's kind of the style I gravitate toward. And I think because they are so versatile, I feel that I can, you know, wear them casually, wear them a little more dressed up, and wear them professionally. And so just popping on a blazer and a nice belt over a lot of your maxi dresses is going to change the entire vibe. So this particular maxi dress actually has spaghetti straps. It's very summery, but when I wear it, I know I'm not taking my jacket off. So this look wouldn't work if I had to take the blazer off. So you kind of have to keep that in mind. And then again, I think this color combo elevates. So even though the dress has a pattern, it's not too busy of a pattern. We're just dealing with a couple colors, which is also another key. So we just have the camel colors, the navy, and some ivory in this look. And I think that it gives a polished professional look. This is an outfit, another one of the outfit combos that I go to in my professional life. And I just think it looks really put together. And it's so easy and comfortable. Like a dress is just one item. It always looks elevating, and it's super comfortable as well. So no special undergarments required. Hopefully this helped you out. I think that these outfit formulas, a good way to balance your personal style with a touch of professionalism. So no matter what you have going on, you can look your best, which is gonna help you feel your best, gonna help you exude that confidence, which is so important in how you feel about yourself and even how others perceive you. So hopefully this was helpful. If so, please consider giving this video a like so that YouTube will press it out to more ladies that it may potentially help. I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in today and spending some of your time with me. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.